What is one characteristic benefit of the organized sector mentioned in the text? A. Flexible working hours. B. Seasonal employment. C. Higher wages only. D. Job security. The correct answer is D. Job security. What is the approximate percentage of methane in compressed natural gas, CNG? A. 75.5%. B. 80.0%. C. 95.0%. D. 88.5%. The correct answer is D. 88.5%. What do political parties strive to promote? A. Local community initiatives. B. International trade agreements. C. Individual interests. D. National interest and welfare. The correct answer is D. National interest and welfare. Which characteristic feature is associated with the phylum mentioned in the activity? A. Segmented bodies. B. Warm-bloodedness. C. Lack of a true column. D. Presence of a backbone. The correct answer is A. Segmented bodies. How many columns are listed under name of the district for types of local bodies? A. 4. B. 1. C. 3. D. 2. The correct answer is B. 1. How is water separated from pulses when they are washed before cooking? A. Decantation. B. Filtration. C. Winnowing. D. Magnetic separation. The correct answer is B. Filtration. What visual traits are the most widely found human racial types based on? A. Head shape, facial features, nose shape. B. Clothing and diet. C. Economic status and education. D. Language and religion. The correct answer is A. Head shape, facial features, nose shape. What kind of training is given during rehabilitation for drug users? A. Proper vocational training. B. Advanced culinary training. C. Professional athletic training. D. Artistic expression training. The correct answer is A. Proper vocational training. How many missions comprise the Apollo program in total? A. 10. B. 17. C. 20. D. 12. The correct answer is B. 17. What happens to minerals in plants when a leaf falls? A. They are lost permanently. B. They are released into the soil. C. They are converted into new compounds. D. They are reabsorbed and reused by the plant. The correct answer is D. They are reabsorbed and reused by the plant. Which deficiency disease is characterized by slow body growth and a skinny appearance? A. Kwashiorkor. B. Anemia. C. Rickets. D. Marasmus. The correct answer is D. Marasmus. When in contact with oxygen, what type of compounds present in plants are converted into brown pigments during browning? A. Carbohydrates. B. Phenolic compounds. C. Proteins. D. Lipids. The correct answer is B. Phenolic compounds. Ashoka stressed the importance of compassion, charity, and what else? A. Purity. B. Power. C. Control. D. Fame. The correct answer is A. Purity. What describes two or more equal or unequal forces acting along the same direction parallel to each other? A. Unlike parallel forces. B. Non-coplanar forces. C. Parallel forces. D. Antiparallel forces. The correct answer is C. Parallel forces. Which type of vibrations are characteristic of noise? A. High-frequency vibrations. B. Regular vibrations. C. Regular and periodic vibrations. D. Irregular and non-periodic vibrations. The correct answer is D. Irregular and non-periodic vibrations. Which inscription is associated with King Karvela of Kalinga? A. Ashokan edicts. B. Hathi Gumfa inscription. C. Pugalur inscription. D. Jaffna inscription. The correct answer is B. Hathi Gumfa inscription. What is the general effect on apparent frequency when the distance between the source and listener increases? A. Apparent frequency remains constant. B. Apparent frequency increases. C. Apparent frequency becomes zero. D. Apparent frequency decreases. The correct answer is D. Apparent frequency decreases. What are the two types of flight shown by birds? A. Hopping and jumping. B. Running and walking. C. Gliding and flapping. D. Swimming and diving. The correct answer is C. Gliding and flapping. After the initial placement, where is the compass needle moved to on the paper? A. To the bottom right corner. B. To the center of the paper. C. Off the paper entirely. D. To the top left corner. The correct answer is B. To the center of the paper. What does a prion lack for transmitting infection? A. Lipids. B. Proteins. C. Carbohydrates. D. DNA or RNA. The correct answer is D. DNA or RNA. What percentage of the Indian economy is currently contributed by the services sector? A. Around 53%. B. Around 25%. C. Around 33%. D. Around 75%. The correct answer is A. Around 53%. Which location would cause cool drinks to give more fizz? A. Underwater. B. In outer space. C. At the top of the hills. D. At the foot of the hills. The correct answer is D. At the foot of the hills. When a simple coil is placed inside the two poles of a magnet, what is generated by the coil? A. Heat. B. Light. C. Sound. D. Current. The correct answer is D. Current. What ancient literary work mentions astronomical observations by the poet Kalthliyar? A. Purnanuru. B. Manimekali. C. Silapatikram. D. Tirukkural. The correct answer is A. Purnanuru. What is drawn from the Indian Ocean due to the low pressure in North India? A. Cold air. B. Rainfall. C. Wind. D. Cyclones. The correct answer is C. Wind. What is the purpose of applying GST at a national level? A. To reduce exports. B. To increase imports. C. To achieve overall economic growth. D. To fund political campaigns. The correct answer is C. To achieve overall economic growth. What percentage of India's manganese resource is constituted by Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Telangana, and parts of West Bengal? A. About 2%. B. About 10%. C. About 18%. D. About 5%. The correct answer is A. About 2%. What is another name for sex glands? A. Adrenal glands. B. Gonads. C. Thymus glands. D. Thyroid glands. The correct answer is B. Gonads. Where is liquid waste typically found? A. In factories. B. In waste bins. C. Hiding in the air. D. In our drains. The correct answer is D. In our drains. Which seaport is located on the Mediterranean Sea? A. Durban. B. Algiers. C. Mogadishu. D. Dar es Salaam. The correct answer is B. Algiers. How did you score?